You ready for some afternoon tea? He's bad. Don't touch me, she says. Don't touch me. Come on. You want to scratch? Here you go. Oh, that's nice, isn't it? Hey, isn't that nice? Good girl.
Good girl.
You want more scratchies? More scratchies? Good girl. That's the first time I've seen you do that. Hello, darling. All right, come on up here and show everybody how beautiful you are. There you are. Do some head bobs. Good girl. Are you beautiful? Yes, I know. We'll get that one round there. Come here. Here you go. And look at the sideways dummy technique.
And the screaming with the dummy in her mouth.
Yeah, there she spat it out. That was a deliberate spit.
That was a spit the dummy.
That was a spit the dummy. Here you go, baby. Hello, littlest. That's a glove.
You still got the hiccups.
Yes. Hello. Where are you going? Hello.
I love the sideways dummy that she does all the time.
I know.
I love how she can also squeak with it in.
Come on, let's wash you. I know. We've got to get all clean. Hey, baby. Are you beautiful?
Does she do scratchies?
She did a little sometimes, not very often. Hey, baby. She's only little. There you are. You say, I'm clean now. I've had a bath.
That's head bobs that she's doing.
Yeah.
Head bobs and press ups.
Hey, baby.
Good girl. Playtime.